Let's learn how to change video size in Adobe Premiere Pro. If a clip doesn't fit your frame, right-click it on the timeline and choose Set to Frame Size. This adjusts the clip to fit without resampling, preserving quality. For more precise adjustments, go to Effect Controls Motion Scale and use the slider to resize. Uncheck Uniform Scale if you need to adjust width and height separately. To apply these changes to multiple clips, copy the adjusted clip, Ctrl+C, select the others, right-click, and choose Paste Attributes. Make sure Motion is checked. For clips with different aspect ratios, you can change the sequence size to match. Go to Sequence Settings and update the frame size to match your clip's resolution. That's it. Like, subscribe, and share for more helpful tutorials.